Wanna know how to write Java code for pattern printing? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, in this code, we have used a nested loop. So you can see there are two loops right here. This is a nested loop. So we have created a classic loop of stars. So we will be printing out stars that will increase every single line. Outer loop controls the rows right here. It runs from 1 to 4. So inner loop, that is J, prints asterisks as many times as a row of number. So line 1 has 1 star, line 2 has 2, and so on. So after each inner loop, we print our new line. Looks cool, feel logical, and it's a great practice for beginners. So you can just simply run it up to check it. And there you have it, the result has been shown right here. So this is some classic nested loop example, and also how you can just pattern print. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.